Alright guys, so in this video what we're going to do is we're going to put this back together. And one of the important things to note is that you want to make sure that this wire is out of the way of these things so you don't pinch it in there. That's something else that you may do accidentally that may cause you a lot of problems. So you want to tuck it in there and then you can put it on top here. And in my particular case, I set it up so that it can go through here so that it won't get pinched in any way. It should go in here. It's always harder to do on camera because I'm trying to do this while showing you guys. There. So this way there's no pinching on any side. Alright, so then we're going to have to put the screws in for all this. And we want to make sure that this also fits in here, like so. Then we can use the trusted screwdriver that came in the package, and we can start putting all the screws in. Now there's going to be a whole bunch of these screws. There's going to be 2 in here, 2 there, and then 2 more back there. So that's a total of 6 screws, plus a 7th screw that goes back there. I won't bore you guys with me trying to put that together. I'll see you in the next one where I completed this task. Thanks for watching, guys.